Are you tired of merely trying and waiting for success to magically appear one day? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly win in life while others struggle to make their dreams come true? Well, today, we're about to reveal a powerful secret that can change the trajectory of your life. It's not about trying. It's about taking action. When you remove the word try from your vocabulary and start taking action, you are one step ahead of making it happen. This is the key to unlocking the immense power of your mind. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the secrets to personal transformation and success. Today, we have an extraordinary story to share with you, one that will inspire you to believe in the incredible potential within you. It's the story of Helene Hadsell, renowned as the winning sage, who had the uncanny ability to win almost every contest she participated in. But what was the real secret behind her winning streak? How did she achieve those remarkable victories that left others in awe? Well, it wasn't just luck, and it wasn't about trying harder. Helen had a unique approach to life, a mindset that allowed her to manifest her desires and consistently achieve her goals. In this video, we'll delve into Helen's journey, her winning mindset, and a powerful method she used to make her dreams come true, the SPEC method. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to harness the extraordinary power of your own mind and set yourself on a path to success. You are not born to try. Take action, and you will win in life. Believe it or not, the first time you win something, people around you might say, "Oh, that's nice, congratulations." The second time, they might think you got lucky. The 10th time, they'd probably say you are a very lucky person. But what if it never stops and you keep on winning? People will begin to think there is more inside of you than just luck. They might think you have cracked some kind of metaphysical code or a secret formula that puts you on top in any contest or competition in which you participate. Is this really possible? Yes, it certainly is. Helene Hadsell, renowned as the winning sage, was able to win almost every contest she participated in. But what was the real secret behind her winning streak? Let's dig more into who she is and how she achieved all those miracles. Helen is known as the Queen of Contests for her remarkable ability to win every contest in which she participates. Helen's journey began in 1948 when she and her family started entering different contests. In the earlier days, she barely won anything, but she continued to enter contests for about a decade consistently. However, after nearly 10 years of trying, it was in 1957 that things really started to change when she took a correspondence course on contest writing. Things started to shift, and she was able to win contests more frequently, getting prizes such as food mixers, toys, and other small items. In 1959, she came across the book The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. The book helped her learn the art of winning in a consistent manner. From then on, losing was not her fate. She won trips to Disneyland, New York, Europe, and many more. But her winning journey didn't end there. In 1964-65, the New York World's Fair organized a contest with a grand prize, a replica of the showcased house worth $50,000 to be built anywhere in the U.S. A lot of people tried their luck, but she was there to win, not to try like everyone else. Now you might be thinking, how could positivity beat nearly 2 million contestants? Everybody tried and took the necessary action, but Helen aced them to bag that prize. But how? The SPEC method has been around for a long time now. It stands for Select It, Project It, Expect It, and Collect It. To break it down, selecting it implies you should take the first step by defining your true desire. While there is no limitation on dreaming big, it's important that you wish for something logical, something attainable, and realistic. The SPEC method is all about shifting your focus to what you truly desire, projecting it into your current reality, expecting it to manifest, and ultimately collecting the gifts. It seems simple yet is very effective in achieving your desires. Helen's story of getting big prizes continued. What we can learn from Helen's story is that you should have an idea regarding choosing a goal for yourself, something that truly matters to you and seems reasonable to achieve in your current state. You should be focusing on setting your sights on what truly matters. So, the first step you should be taking is asking yourself, what should I be focusing on? What is my true goal? When setting your sights on something, ensure it is positive, constructive, and creative enough for it to manifest. The next step is to try to think as if you are already living your dreams. This means imagining having the thing you want and immersing yourself in the feelings of achieving it. Try to visualize the impact it has on your life and how it will positively transform you, like Helen did. I encourage you to try out the SPEC method to make your desires come true. This method is similar to the detach technique by Neville Goddard. Begin with a meditative state and within your imagination, create a scene where you have already achieved what you desire. It is very crucial to feel the emotions and sensations of having your dream fulfilled. You can write in the comments section about that one thing that you desperately want. Don't worry. You can use this as a reminder when you come back to this video. You don't have to do something out of the ordinary. Focusing on the everyday that passes by can be quite effective in making it a reality. In the end, it's all about harnessing the power of your mind to manifest your desires. Change your expectations, and you will change your situation. Show through your actions that you are expecting success, happiness, and abundance. Get ready to receive all the good things that you deserve to receive. The things that you desire already exist. They might not have manifested, but you have to think of them as already being yours. You have the right mindset for something, which means it rightfully belongs to you. Now, your responsibility in this is to prepare a place for them to store in your life, just like you would prepare for a new TV or a car when you have decided to buy one. So, create that space in your mind for your dreams to become a reality. Helen's life teaches us the essence of the SPEC method. Before she won that home we talked about earlier, she had already chosen a lot, and all her plans were already in place. Before winning the international trips, she had already acquired the passports and necessary items. This shows that you should be actively prepared in order to receive. Finally, once you have selected, projected, and expected your desires, all that's left is to collect what is rightfully yours from the beginning. This is the final step of your manifestation process. The SPEC method is quite effective for those who believe in it. However, you should be careful. You can't grow a palm tree in a frozen environment and expect it to grow big. I hope you have grasped the truth about your abilities and their accountability. When you take responsibility for your thoughts and emotions, you begin to realize that all the hardships and difficult times were there to contribute to your growth. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far into the video, I request that you find the essence of this video and comment on what changes it brought to your life. I would really appreciate liking this video and getting subscribed to our channel. This way, you can stay connected with us and never miss new content.